The classrooms we once knew are a thing of the past. Hybrid learning is the future, with some at home and others in class. That's why we made Series 1 Google Meet Kits. They're one of a kind, built to help teachers inspire and connect with each inquisitive mind. To get started, a single tap, now class is in session. AI-enhanced audio and video help remote students take part in the lesson. Another tap and the camera zooms to keep attention on teachers. Then Series 1 automatically adjusts to frame up new speakers. Each crinkle, snap, tap, every distracting noise is canceled out, while Series 1 enhances every human voice. So teachers and students, no matter where they are, can hear and be heard. Listen. That's the only sound students need to learn. Best of all, Series 1 works with the Chromebooks and apps they already know, so there's no curve to the learning. When the bell rings, they're ready to go. Your IT team, let's not forget them, will also love the simplicity and ease. With power over Ethernet and a single power source, setup is a breeze. But if they do need a little assistance or resources run short, Lenovo is there with smart collaboration professional services and premier support. In closing, no matter the class size or how you meet, Series 1 makes it easy for students to learn and teachers to teach. To learn how Series 1 room kits and optional AV carts can give every student a seat at the front of the class, reach out to your Lenovo representative.